Chua, come para aquí. Whoa, dude. Botswana! Gosh! Oh, papagena. Potenti capoca!
This is the cinemas! Have some respect!
This is an emergency alert by the Federal Aviation Administration. We regret to inform the nation that several airplanes from Asia have become unresponsive and have not returned. The FAA is actively investigating this issue and working closely with our international partners to determine the cause and extent of the problem. We urge all citizens to remain vigilant and stay tuned to local news outlets for updates. If you have any information regarding these missing airplanes or have experienced any related issues, please contact local authorities immediately. Communications from Asian countries, Korea and Japan, have also been unresponsive. We ask all travelers to remain patient as we work to restore these communications. We understand that this news may cause anxiety and concern.
That's it, buddy! You're out of here!
No! To resolve this issue as quickly and safely as possible. Please stay safe and alert during this time of uncertainty.
Stop! Macarena, shush!
That's enough, fella! Move that ticket!
Follow-up message from the Federal Aviation Administration. We apologize for any confusion and alarm caused by our previous emergency alert. We believe that the previous message was a result of a hacking incident. Confirmed that there is no country named Asia and there are no known nations named South Korea or Japan. We ask that you disregard the previous message and related information.
Oh, well, if it isn't Mr. Peanut again. Out you go!
To report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities. Once again, we apologize for any inconvenience or concern caused by the previous message. We will continue to provide updates as new information becomes available. Thank you for your understanding.
They do not pay me enough to deal with this baloney. Get up! Get out!
Oh, c'est les Pouillards! Bayou pudding! Oh, shh!
We have reached
les potes, slip, Stop pas la Macarena! Okay.
Well, if it isn't Mr. Talks Too Much.
Experiences are not real. The system is only an unknown toxin or polypen, and we urge to remain indoors and avoid any contact with potentially those false memories and potentially harmful data. We advise all citizens to turn off their electronic devices and avoid all forms of media that may further propagate these false memories. Please do not panic. Stay calm. Our experts are working hard to identify the source of
Time to go, Gabby Goose.
Stay safe and remain vigilant.
Right there! Everyone in the city gets a shot at being scarred right on my stage!
I've got one for you!
We have made
Time to put your walking boots on!
Existence due to several tears in the fabric of reality. Many people still retain memories of this lost continent, but most do not. Unfortunately, we have reason to believe that another tear is about to occur, and this time it will be in Africa. If this tear happens, it will cause the destruction of the entire continent, and with it, the origin of human life. This means that if Africa is destroyed, humans will have never existed. Regrettably, we have no way to prevent this catastrophic event from occurring. We urge all citizens to stay calm and make the most of the time we have left. We will be broadcasting our national anthems across all countries it is a part of to commemorate the legacy of humanity and to honor the memories of those who came before us. We understand that this is a difficult time for everyone, and we ask all citizens to remain united and compassionate towards one another. Let us cherish the time we have left, and remember those who contributed to make humanity what it is in its final breath. Thank you, and goodbye.
Boo! Yeah, boo! Stupa la Macarena! Tutti le stupa!
Enough already.
Signor Grinch!
Goodbye.
Bye-bye!